Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to share the QA walk-in drive, which is going to be there on Monday in the Noida. So they are going to hire freshers. So here are the details. Right. So there is a fresher walk-in opportunity for a QA role. They are looking for testers and the location would be Noida. Right. Position would be QA intern. Eligibility is fresh graduates with a background in computer science, technical, BTech, BCA, PE is fine, right? Then stipend will be provided. And this is the name of the company, SysMind Tech Private Limited, who is going to conduct this walk-in interviews for freshers as well as for interns, right? And this is going to be on 28th of August. Interview time would be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the address is mentioned here. So there are a lot of mock interviews which we have already uploaded on our channel, which are touching manual testing, automation testing questions. So you can be prepared. You can refer those videos and you can go for this kind of walk-in. Definitely, it's a good opportunity for a start, for a beginning point of the career, right? And the qualifications required are recent graduate with a computer science background and passion for quality assurance. So someone who is passionate for testing, no prior experience because they are looking for a fresher, right? Bring a copy of your CV, dress in professional attire, be ready to discuss your interest in QA and your educational background. Interested interns or freshers can grab this golden opportunity. You can share your updated CV at this particular email address, or you can also call, right? So I think there is some issue with the calling. I think only 9 digits. Okay, you can still check, but what I would suggest is this is a walk-in interview, so you should be prepared and you should meet with them in person. Try to get an interview in person, so that will be a very good exposure for you. Also, the opportunities, the chances for getting selected will also increase, because at home sometimes you might get some network issue, or maybe the internet is not working, or power cut is there. So it would be good to visit to uh, you know attend this walk-in drive. At least you will come to know how many other people are there in the company, what are the what is the infrastructure of the company, right? What kind of people are working there, right? So it's very important that always, as a fresher, you should always try to go to the office and work from office. Don't do work from home, otherwise you will not understand how the professional things are being done, right? So thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.